has been declared urban area, there is a hue and cry from the people. What are the advantages of urban area?
There are a lot of advantages. First of all, let me clarify की कलांगूट ही विलेज पंचायतूच आसतली. अर्बन एरिया डिक्लेअर केली म्हणून ती म्युनिसिपॅलिटी जावची ना. इट विल बी अ विलेज पंचायत only. Advantage, people will see as and when things progress. Advantage खूप आहे त्याका. आता ओपनली आम्ही till things come in the file and people start getting benefit out of it, we don't want to talk.
But
लोकांक बेनिफिट मेळतलो.
there is a suspicion in people's mind that land rates are going to increase, and it is this issue will benefit the land mafia.
See, I'll tell you something. Already land price in Kalangut, minimum price is 6,500. Registration by the state government. तेजून आणि वयर वाडोवूच शकना. अर्बन एरिया डिक्लेअर जाली आणि जावच्या पयलीं अर्बन सेन्सस एका मेळवल्या 15 वर्सां पयलीं. दिस इज डिक्लेअर्ड एज अर्बन. आता ऑफिशियली आम्ही नोटिफाय केल्या ती. यू चेक द अर्बन सेन्सस. पयलीं जावन डिक्लेअर जाता.
But the agricultural land cost will go up, right?
Whatever is the cost, 40% of the land price is the agricultural cost. 40%. 6,000 is 46, so that's 20.
So what are the benefits for this?
There are a lot of benefits where people will get in due course of time. That is why I have stressed upon that this area, which is highly populated and a business area where lot of locals are involved in self-employment business, will benefit out of this urban status.